Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to NOKIA G22. Firstly, open Play Store on both to install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. To close it, tap on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive next to Send at the bottom of NOKIA. Also on G22, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Oppo Device. From here, you can tap on all of those categories located at the top, and in them choose all of your files that you wish to send. If you want to select multiple ones, pick those dots at the top left corners. And if you wish to pick only a few, just click on them. In my case, those two pictures. Whatever you do, when you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on NOKIA G22. Then pick while using or only this time to allow camera access, and point your Nokia's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!